Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Roblox health bar. First, we'll set up the user interface. Begin by adding a screen GUI to Starter GUI. Inside, insert a frame to act as the health bar's container. Next, place a text label within this frame to display the numerical health value. Ensure these elements are well positioned on the screen, perhaps at the top left, for easy viewing by the player. This foundational step is crucial for a clear and functional health display. Now, let's create the visual representation of the health bar itself. Inside your main health bar frame, insert a second frame. This inner frame, which you might name Health Fill, will visually shrink and grow with the player's health. Give it a vibrant color, such as green, to clearly signify health. Make sure it's sized and positioned correctly within its parent frame, perhaps with a small margin, to create a polished look. This visual element is key to an intuitive health display. With the UI in place, it's time to bring the health bar to life with a script. Add a local script to your screen GUI. This script will constantly monitor the player's humanoid health. We'll calculate the current health as a percentage of the maximum health. Then, we'll use this percentage to adjust the health fill frame's size, making it visually shrink or expand. Simultaneously, the text label will update to show the exact numerical health, providing precise feedback to the player. Finally, we need to ensure our health bar responds dynamically to changes. Connect a function to the humanoid's health changed event. This event fires whenever the player takes damage or heals. Within this function, we'll rerun our calculations to get the new health percentage. Then, we'll update both the health fill frame size and the text label's text to reflect the player's current health. This continuous update ensures the health bar is always accurate and responsive, providing real-time feedback.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.